Can you imagine traveling thousands of kilometers across oceans, deserts, mountains without GPS, without maps, and without internet? Yet, bats do this every single year and they almost never get lost. So, how do bats know where to go and how to come back? Today, let's uncover the hidden science behind bat navigation. What is migration? Migration is not a random flying. Some bats travel from Arctic to Antarctica, from Asia to Africa, from Europe to India for food, warmer climate, and survival.